Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Google Ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Google Ads into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Google Ads link from the search results. Once the Google Ads homepage loads, look for a button that says Start Now and click on it. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click Next. If you don't have a Google account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will be directed to the Google Ads setup page. Select your advertising goal from the options provided. You will then be asked to enter information about your business. Fill in your business name, website URL, and any additional details required. Next, choose your target audience by specifying locations, languages, and demographic options. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Continue. You will now need to set your budget for the advertising campaign. Enter your desired daily budget amount into the specified field. Choose your bidding strategy based on your advertising goals. Review your campaign settings to ensure everything is accurate. You may also add ad extensions to enhance your ads. After confirming your settings, you will be prompted to create your first ad. Fill in the required ad details, including headlines, descriptions, and display URL. Preview your ad to see how it will appear to users. When you're satisfied with your ad, click Publish to launch it. Finally, take some time to review Google Ads resources and tutorials to optimize your campaigns. Your Google Ads account is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.